Hi, this is Javi again. Today I want to share with you a recipe of a natural coffee scrub that I found that I wanted to share with y'all. So I went to Lush a couple of weeks ago, a couple of days ago, and I got this product called Cup of Coffee. And it's a face and body mask they have. This 5.2 ounce container ran me about $9. And I got to thinking, I'm pretty sure that there's recipes somewhere on the internet, somewhere, anywhere that I can be able to repurpose this product. And it'll probably be about half the amount of money that it cost me to buy it itself. And so the product itself, it has some coffee grounds, it has some vanilla extract, it has cayenne powder, coriander seed oil, just a lot of different natural ingredients, and some of it stuff in it is not natural as well. But for the most part, it's very natural. And so I found a few different recipes, like I said earlier. And so decided to try, or I guess I decided to blend some of the different ones together to create one that will be good for my skin. Now, my skin is sensitive, so I can't really use that many synthetics on my skin. So I try to find at least the most natural products possible. And Luscious comes really close to being all natural, if not natural completely. And so I just want to try one for myself so I can save myself money. And I could also be able to make it continuously by myself without having to keep going to different stores and keep going to Lush and find different things. So here I'm going to share with you the recipe right now. So for this recipe, you're going to need some dry coffee grounds. Mine's not really that dry. I had some coffee this morning and I took out the filter and I let it dry as much as it could. It's not as dry as I want it to be. It's a little bit damp, but it's still okay to use. You need 1 whole lemon, some honey, a teaspoon, a regular knife, and I'm going to make this scrub 2 different ways. So I have some coconut oil and also have some deep cleansing skin cream or Noxzema if you have some. And you also need 2 bowls since you're going to be doing it 2 different ways. So the first step is to get your coffee grounds, but actually get your lemon. And so what you're going to do, you're going to roll it to get the juices going inside the fruit. Just get it all nice and soft. So push down hard if you need to. And then you're going to cut it in half. You're going to take half of that lemon and squeeze as much as the juice out as you can. It could be a little bit hard, so sometimes I cut it into another fork. There we go. And the lemons have vitamin C, which is actually good in the boosting of the collagen production in your skin. So it helps to keep your skin looking fresh and new. It helps to brighten the skin. And it also helps to prevent and treat any UV damage that your skin may have. So if you have like sunburns or if you just have a little bit of melanoma, it helps to calm that down and to just do what you need to do with it. Okay, so once you get the lemons in, you're going to take your honey. And I like to put at least about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of honey inside of the coffee grounds, depending on how much you have. And that should be about enough. And so this is what you should have so far. You should see the lemon juice at the bottom, I guess some of the honey that's making its way through. So this is what you should have so far. I know it may not look so appealing and appetizing, but it's not for you to eat, and it will help with your skin. The caffeine that we use that is in the coffee is an antioxidant. So it helps with anti-aging and it helps to reduce redness that's in your skin. And then the honey that we added into the concoction is honey is naturally antibacterial, so it helps with the treatment and prevention of acne, and it helps to soothe the skin as well as it is a natural moisturizer. So what you're going to do next is stir all the ingredients together: the honey, the coffee grounds, and the lemon juice. And once it's all mixed up, since we're making it 2 ways, you have to split the first product up. So put some in the first bowl. And then whatever's remaining, put in the second bowl. It's not going to be quite as much as the 5.2 ounces that we got from Lush, but it's still going to be enough for, I could say each of these you could probably get about 2 or 3 uses out of, depending on how much you use each time. And so we just have a little bit of excess lemon juice and honey. So what you're going to do now, since we're going to do one with coconut oil, you're going to take your coconut oil, get about a teaspoon, put it in. Coconut oil, I would say, is one of the best beauty secrets, or I guess it's not a secret anymore, that you can have. Coconut oil is good for your hair, it's good for your skin, it's good for you to eat. It takes off your makeup. The easiest thing. It's just all around good all-purpose product to have. So we have the coconut oil. I'm gonna put that one to the side. Now we get our deep cleansing skin cream, or Noxzema for some of those. And this one, if you could smell it, you could smell the eucalyptus oil that's in it. It's so strong. And take a little bit. That's probably about a tablespoon. You put some in. And this one doesn't make the scrub as natural because it is the Noxzema, or the cream cleanser, is a product that's already pre-made and has some synthetics in it. But I can still use it for my skin, even though it is sensitive, because it does help to soothe it. And you just try and mix it up as best as you can. It's not going to be the prettiest. It's not going to be the smoothest. But it smells good. Both of these smell good, actually. And so this will be your end result. And so this is your eucalyptus caffeine mask, and this is your coconut oil caffeine mask. And so how you use both of these, you can use either one, same way. You wash your face, you wash it cleanly, and then you put either one of the masks on that you want. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, which is about the same as the cup of coffee skin and face mask. And so then you wash it off. Once you have the mask on for 5 to 10 minutes, then you wash it off with some warm water. And it will give you about the same result as the same product that I bought for $9 from Lush. And you get 2 different ways instead of just one. And you can make as much as you like, you can make as little as you like, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So I hope you all enjoyed the recipe I did, or the demonstration that I did of the natural coffee scrub that I found. These are the 2 products, the 2 end results. This is the one with the Noxzema Deep Cleansing Cream. This is the one with the coconut oil. And I usually sometimes I put them in little airtight containers just to preserve it a little bit better. But however you want to store it is just fine. And like I said, sometimes I put it in the fridge, and so it gets a little bit chill, and it can help to brighten up the skin a little bit. So if you see how much of the ingredients that I had, I can make about 3 times as much that I need to with that than I got out of this. So I mean, I'm still going to use this, of course, because I still have a full jar, and it smells good. It looks interesting, but it works really well. I used it yesterday, and so I have 3 different ways now of how to use this product. So I really like it. I hope you like it. And I hope you'll give it a try.